Everyone knows I have quite a few pairs of shoes, but what you don't know is kind of how I go through the process of determining which shoes to add. It's not just, whatever new popular shoes out there. It's something where I think it's very interesting, it's very intriguing, or in some cases, it's because I'm going back and putting together, what I consider the best examples of a shoe. And so let's start with this one. So this particular one is actually the Nike Air Max 95 Sunset. So I'm not a huge Air Max 95, Air Max 97 person, but for this particular one, I made an exception. So this shoe came out originally in like the mid 2000s or something like that, and I didn't really love it then. But then recently I became obsessed with the Air Max, partially because of Air Max Days, so that was March 26th. And so I was like, well, let me go back through, is there anything I'm missing? And I rediscovered this shoe. And so this is the Air Max 95. And again, it's one of these shoes that I remember when the shoe came out, I was like, this is such a basic shoe. And now I look at it and I'm like, this shoe is actually super awesome. Like I love like the excess layer here. When you walk on it, it feels like air. And so I'm like really stoked about getting this shoe. And so this will be my premier Air Max 95 in my collection. Just like my premier Air Max 97 is the Silver Bullet.